Tungsten carbide insert has a series of excellent properties such as high hardness, good wear resistance, good strength and toughness, heat resistance and corrosion resistance, especially its high hardness and wear resistance, which remain basically unchanged even at a temperature of 500 degrees Celsius. It still has high hardness at 1000 degrees Celsius. Cemented carbide is widely used as tool material, such as turning tools, milling cutters, planers, drills, etc. Tungsten carbide inserts can be used in superalloys, machined steels, non-ferrous materials and cast iron. Blades can resist higher temperatures. Tungsten carbide inserts are also called tungsten carbide indexable inserts. Tungsten carbide indexable inserts are known for their durability benefits. Fanmetal is an enterprise specializing in the production of cutting tools and carbide materials.